and I'm going to show you today how to transplant when you get seedlings in a 4-pack like this. So if they're healthy plants, most of the time the roots will probably have filled up some of the container. So you can gently squeeze on the bottom of each cell of the 4-pack, and slowly, if you pull on just the base of the plant really gently, you can probably get the whole plug out of the cell. And then, when you have your plant out like this, you can squeeze the root ball a little bit if it's all circled like this, just to get the roots thinking about growing deeper and wider so that they can access more nutrients and water. And then, when you go to put them in the garden, using a trowel, make a hole just like that. It doesn't have to be too deep, especially not if it's a small plant like this. If it's a tomato, you're going to want to break off the bottom leaves and bury it deeper on the stem, because tomatoes will make roots all the way up the stem, and it will keep it sturdier. But cilantro is not like that. It only has this really short stem, and the growing point is really low. So we just want to plant it just above the roots in the soil. So now I have my hole, and I just tuck the plant in and cover it. You don't have to pat it down really hard, because that will compress the soil. Once you water it, that will pack the soil around it just fine. And so I'm going to come back now with my watering can or my hose and water this, and then wait a little bit and water again, probably for 10 seconds each time. And then what you do to test is just, after you've watered, you dig down and see how far the water has penetrated. And so you want it to go at least as far down as the roots are going. Thanks for watching this video, and if you have any questions about transplanting or about seedlings or gardening in general, feel free to reach out to us.